The Toyota Proace Max features a modern and robust design, tailored for both aesthetics and functionality. Its exterior is characterized by clean lines and a bold front fascia, incorporating Toyota's signature grille and sleek LED headlight. The large windshield and high roofline not only provide excellent visibility but also contribute to the van's spacious interior. The sliding side doors and wide rear doors are designed for easy access, making loading and unloading cargo a breeze. Proace Max's exterior design emphasizes practicality without compromising on style, ensuring that it looks professional in any business setting. Performance. Under the hood, the Proace Max offers a range of efficient powertrains to suit different needs. The van is available with a choice of petrol, diesel, and hybrid engines, all designed to deliver a balance of power and fuel efficiency. The hybrid variant, in particular, is expected to be a game changer, offering lower emissions and better fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to reduce their environmental footprint. The Proace Max's suspension system is tuned for comfort and stability, ensuring a smooth ride even when the van is fully loaded. Precise steering and robust braking system provide confidence in control, whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway. Driving experience. Driving the Proace Max is a hassle-free experience, thanks to its well-designed ergonomics and advanced technology. The driver's seat is adjustable and supportive, providing a comfortable position for long hours behind the wheel. The large windows and high driving position offer excellent visibility, enhancing safety and ease of maneuvering. The van's quiet cabin, even at higher speeds, makes for a pleasant driving environment, allowing drivers to focus on the road and their task. The hybrid model operates smoothly and silently, further improving the overall driving experience.